Hey, welcome to PSI News Network. I'm Gerald Segarra,
And I'm Paulo Doranila,
your news reporters for today. Hey, have you noticed those flying fishes and bubbles? Well, it's because we have a special segment about Verde Island. The recent discovery of 30 new species on Verde Island proves the area's significance as the center of marine biodiversity in the world. Verde Island is situated along the bodies of Verde Island Passage, which is a strait that separates the islands of Mindoro and Luzon.
We have received word that recently, a team of Filipino-American marine experts led by Dr. Terry Gostliner, a zoologist from California Academy of Sciences, discovered 30 nudibranch species, 2 sea urchins, and several new species of soft corals.
2 years ago, the same team held an expedition that yielded 12 rare and new species. Some of these species include the toxic bright purple nudibranch, a delicate new heart urchin, and a brand new species of sea slug that crawled out of some algae that was brought in the lab.
Last 2013, in a study entitled State of Coast Report for Verde Island, marine biologists recorded a total of 117 species of reef fish belonging to 35 families in just 6 small study sites around Verde Island.
In 2005, scientists Ken Carpenter of the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Victor Springer of the Smithsonian reported a total of 1,736 overlapping marine species in a 10-kilometer area of Verde Island Passage. It was discovered that the Verde Island Passage had the highest concentration of marine biodiversity in a particular area and was declared the center of the world's coral triangle.
However, despite the discovery of these new species, Verde Island Passage is also considered a marine biodiversity hotspot. Let's have Celine Montales, our science correspondent, to discuss the threats to the ecosystem of Verde Island Passage and its consequences to the people in Verde Island.
Hi, I'm Celine Montales, live at Verde Island. Because Verde Island has white sand beaches and pristine waters, it attracts many tourists, hence resorts have ballooned over the recent years, overpopulating the island. Verde Island Passage is a busy route for hundreds of passenger and cargo boats. All spillage and garbage thrown by the passengers of these boats contribute to the water pollution. The overpopulation and pollution are serious threats to the ecosystem of Verde Island Passage, along with the other threats like overfishing, destructive fishing, and climate change. These lead to habitat destruction and a decrease of fishes and other species in the island. Let's talk to Mang Jason, one of the fishermen here. Mang Jason, what can you say about the discovery of the new species in your island in a report dated July 22, 2017? How does it affect your livelihood here?
We're happy that there are new discoveries here, but we observe that there are less resources for us now. It has been difficult for us to catch fish now, and the corals have been slowly turning white and pale. This is due to the increasing temperature, and this causes the event of coral bleaching. This destructs the habitats of the fish, and so they die early in their life stages.
Oh, the human activities and climate change contribute to these problems, Mang Jason. People should be more aware of the dangers they're doing. Thank you, Mang Jason. Do you have any questions, Gerald and Paulo?
Celine, do you know of any efforts by the government or any organization to protect Verde Island?
Actually, yes. Verde Island Passage has many protected areas. There are also organizations like Conservation International, or CI, that work with the government and local communities to develop scalable conservation and area plans. CI also teaches locals how to fish in a better and safe way and how to adjust to events such as coral bleaching. Back to you, Paulo.
The science segment actually concludes our news report for today. Again, I'm Paulo Doranila.
And I'm Gerald Segarra.
And
This is PNN.